Hello used Volvo user. Today I will show you how to easily avoid from high repair costs and how to regenerate and clean Volvo DPF filter, so it doesn't get broken, because repairing or replacing a DPF filter will cost several $1,000s. If your Volvo displays an error message called FAP Pieno vedere manuale in Italian or Soot filter full C manual in English, then you know you need to take action. If your car is often driven short distances in cold weather, then the engine is not reaching its normal operating temperature, and this means that the diesel particulate filter is not regenerating and the filter is not being drained. When the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, is about 80% full, a yellow warning triangle is displayed on the instrument panel. And the message Soot filter full C manual is shown in its information display. When you see this message, it's definitely a must for you to start regeneration of the filter by driving the car until the engine reaches normal operating temperature in the next few days. Better on a main road or motorway. The car should then be driven at speeds in excess of 60 km per hour for approximately 20 minutes. It may take a little longer time at a low average speed. Regeneration of the particle filter is automatic, but to start it must absolutely not be low on fuel and the car must be fully warmed up to start auto regeneration, so it's approximately 20 minutes starts only when the car is warmed up. To warm up the car faster you can use the parking heater. The engine then reaches normal operating temperature more quickly. And you can also lower the temperature of the interior heating and lower the fan speed. When the car is warmed up, drive until the Soot filter error message disappears. Congratulations! This way you manage to save several $1,000s without buying a new diesel particle filter. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck, my Volvo friend.